everybody. Today I take your math class and we have already completed chapter 8. Today I start chapter 10 and the subject matter of chapter 10 is perimeter, area and volume. So first of all I discussed some formula of perimeter of square, rectangle, triangle, an area of square, rectangle and triangle. Then we start exercises, some sums. Now I show you some formula. Perimeter of a square. What is the formula of 4 into side? Perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a triangle. Side plus side plus side. 3 sides. Area of a square, side into side. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Okay, repeat it again. These are the formulas. Perimeter of a square, 4 into side. Perimeter of a rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a triangle, side plus side plus side. Area of a square, side into side. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Okay. Now we start exercise 10A. 10A, fill in the blanks. That is, dash is the length of the boundary of a plane closed shape, perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the boundary of a plane closed shape. Number 2, the perimeter of a square with side 10 unit will be 4 into 10, 40 units. Okay. Dash measures the surface covered by a 2D shape, that is area. That is D, area of a rectangle with length 5 meter and breadth 10 meter will be 10 into 5, length into breadth 5 meter into 10 meter, that is 5 10 is 50 meter square. Okay. So fill in the blanks. Perimeter is the length of the boundary of a shape, plane closed shape. The perimeter of a square is side 10 unit will be 4 into 10, 40 units. Area measures the surface covered by a 2D shape. The area of a rectangle with length 5 meter and breadth 10 meter will be 50 meter square. That is length into breadth 5 meter into 10 meter, 50 meter square. Okay. Exercise 10B. Find the perimeter of squares whose one side is given below. That is, one side is 15 meter. That is perimeter 4 into 15 meter. 15 4 just 60 meter. Number 2, 12 into 4 centimeter. That is perimeter 12 into 4 centimeter into 4. 4 4 just 16. 1 4 2 just 8 1 9. 4 1 just 4. 49.6 centimeter. 0 C, 0.25 meter square meter. Perimeter into 4 into 0.25. 100. That is 0.220 cut gaya. So 1 meter. 6 millimeter. That is 4 into 6 millimeter. 24 millimeter. To 1.2 kilometer, that is perimeter equal to 4 into 1.2 kilometer. 12 into 4, 48. So 4.8 kilometer. Okay. Number 2, find the perimeter of rectangles with the given dimensions. Length 12 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter. This is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into 12 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. The 2 into 12 for 16 centimeter. 16 2 is 32 centimeter. Okay. B, length 1.5 meter, breadth 0.6 meter. That is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into 1.5 meter plus 0.6 meter. That is 2 into 2.1 meter. That is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 4.2 meter. Okay. Length 100 millimeter, breadth 35 millimeter. That is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into 100 millimeter plus 35 millimeter. That is 2 into 135 millimeter. That is 5 2 is 10, 1, 3 2 is 6, 7, 2 1 is 2, 270 millimeter. Length 13 kilometer, breadth 8 kilometer. That is perimeter 2 into length plus breadth 2 into 13 kilometers plus 8 kilometer. That is 13 8 21. 21 into 2 42 kilometer. E, length 11 meter, breadth 70 centimeter. That is 11 meter equal to 11 into 100 1100. That is 1100 centimeter. That is perimeter 2 into length plus breadth 2 into 11 1100 centimeter plus 70 centimeter. That is 2 into 1170 centimeter. That is 20 2 7 ja 14, 1 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 1 ja 2, 2340 centimeter. Okay, that is find the perimeter of the given triangles. Triangles, perimeter of triangle, side plus 10. An equilateral triangle with side 13 centimeter. 3 sides equal, that is perimeter of the equilateral triangle is side plus side plus side. 13 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter, 39 centimeter. And isosceles triangle whose two equal sides are 15 centimeter and the third side is 20 centimeter. That is perimeter of the isosceles triangle is 15 centimeter, 15 to 20 centimeter. 15 plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Tale 50 centimeter. Okay. C. A scalene triangle with size 12 centimeter, 12 meter, 10 meter, 5 meter. 12 meter, 10 meter, 5 meter. That is 12 meter plus 10 meter plus 5 meter. That is 12, 35. No, 5 2 7, 2 1 1 2, 27 meter. Okay. 4. Find the length of side of squares whose perimeter is given below. Perimeter given, and you have to solve, you have to come one side. Perimeter 48 centimeter, that is 4 into side equal to 48 centimeter. That is one side equal to 48 by 4, 12 centimeter. Okay, that is number B. 56 meter, perimeter equal to 4 into side into 56 meter. So one side 56 by 4, 14 meter. Okay. C. Perimeter of square 10.4 kilometer, that is 4 into side equal to 10.4 kilometer, that is side equal to 10.4 by 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 6 ja 2.6 kilometer. Perimeter of square 7.2 meter, that is 4 into side equal to 7.2 meter, side equal to 7.2 by 4, 4 18 ja 72, that is 1.8 meter. Perimeter of square 4 into side equal to 360 millimeter. Side is 360 by 4, 90 millimeter. Okay. So worksheet homework the question number 5 and 6 at home. Do question number 5 and 6 at home. Okay. So exercise 10A and 10B. Now we come 10C. Find the area of squares with the given side. Area 4 centimeter. Area per square equal to 4 into side, that is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. 4 4 just 16 centimeter square. 2.5 centimeter. Area of the square 2.5 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter. That is 6.25 centimeter square. 8 meter. Area equal to 8 meter into 8 meter. 64 meter square. Area one side 90 millimeter, that is area 90 millimeter into 90 millimeter. 9 9 81 00, 81 millimeter square. 13.4 kilometer, area equal to 13.4 kilometer, 13.4 kilometer equal to 179.56 kilometer square. I do it here, math. Number 2, find the area of the given rectangles. Area of the square rectangles. Length 4 centimeter, breadth 7 centimeter. Area of the rectangle equal to side length into breadth, that is 4 centimeter 7 centimeter. 4 7 is 28 centimeter square. B. Length 15 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter. That is area equal to 15 centimeter into 4 centimeter. 60 centimeter square. C. Length 4.2 meter, breadth 50 centimeter. That is 4.2 meter equal to 4.2 into 100. 4200. That is 420 centimeter. Area equal to 420 centimeter into 50 centimeter. That is 21,000 centimeter square. Okay. D. Length 1 meter 40 centimeter. That is 140 centimeter. Breadth 5 meter 50 centimeter, 550 centimeter. That is area equal to 140 centimeter into 550 centimeter. That is 140 centimeter 550 centimeter equal to 77000 centimeter square. So 77000 by 100 into 100, that is 77 by 10, 7.7 millimeter square. Okay. Centimeter square के millimeter square change. Okay. Length 65 millimeter, breadth 21 millimeter. that is area equal to length into breadth, 65 millimeter into 21 millimeter, that is 1365 millimeter square. 1365 millimeter square. Number 3. Which square unit would you use to measure the area of the given objects? This worksheet for sheet square centimeter. The classroom floor square meter. The classroom floor square meter. The blackboard square meter. Your city square kilometer. Insect's wing square millimeter. Do question number 4 at home, homework. Okay, I will show you the pictures of this. So I complete 10A, 10B and 10C today, and next day I will do 10D. Okay, thank you.